G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. Last episode we were exploring these beautiful islands with our family. Join us now as we say goodbye to our old toilet and install a new one. We really hope you enjoy this episode.
This guy's name is Thomas Crapper, which we like to think he was the first inventor of the toilet, but he wasn't. But that's why we say we're going for a crap, because of this fella. So have a Google of him. Legend. All-time round good guy.
Oh, check out our new dummy. So getting this onto the boat was a bit of a mission. They're pretty heavy. TMC is the brand, and we got the luxury big bum seat, as you already know probably. But I'm pretty excited about saying big bum seat, so I'm going to say it as much as I can. It's heavy, and it's but it's good. You know, it's got the electric macerator. It's going to go straight to the blackwater tanks, and we're pumped.
This guy is Alexander Cumming. He is a Scottish fella, and he, in 1775, was granted the very first patent for a flush toilet, which we are all very, very thankful for. All right, this is Sir John Harrington. Scallywag, courtier, other things to do with high society in London. So he was granted the patent for the first flush toilet in the world. And we are eternally grateful to you, Sir John Harrington, you ratbag, because without that we wouldn't have today's episode of installing a new toilet into our Beneteau Oceanus, which is very, very exciting. Excited about a new shitter?
I am excited.
Should we do the what do you call it?
Unveiling?
Unboxing?
Yep.
Which one is it?
You asked me. I think it's unveiling. But I guess it could be unboxing as well.
We got to sharp a knife, would we? Good for us. But anyway.
Been away for a whole week and I've made it home to see this.
Yeah, well I kept it for you because who doesn't want to have a nice shitter?
I've been in New Zealand all week and haven't seen the Wombat for a week, so I'm very excited to be back on board. Having dinner here tonight and unboxing. Let's have a look at what Gav's gone and bought.
I think we need to be talking about the shitter.
I think it's called the head.
Tell us about what are our requirements for the shitter again. I know we talked about this previously.
I actually think these are your requirements, to be fair, because I'm pretty happy with.
Well, you can wipe your bum on those little ones, can you?
Yeah, I can. I have managed okay. But
well,
tell me about your requirements.
Well, we need to have a bigger shitter.
Okay.
So we've got somewhere to put our bums. Okay. And so we can, in comfort, right? So you can wipe your bum and you're comfortable. You have spend a good 10 minutes in there. Anyway, come in and have a look, everyone. Get it a bit closer. Ta-da!
Wow.
Yeah. That's what I reckon. That's a normal sized toilet.
That is a normal sized toilet. Look at that.
We'll leave this on there and you can be the first one to try it out. So,
woo! Oh, look at that. It's got a small footprint, but a big bowl.
yeah. And instructions.
The instructions are good.
Yeah.
This is
Really
very
good.
exciting.
Yeah, I think so too. Pretty cool. Oh, look, it's got a thing like a hotel.
Oh, we'll put that across every time we have a guest.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Since it's going in the guest head, isn't it?
No.
Is the head the toilet, or is the head the entire bathroom?
I think the head's the toilet.
So what's the boat bathroom called?
The bathroom.
Oh, okay.
The WC.
I always think they'd say, oh, it's the head, and I don't know. Okay, so this is our guest bathroom.
My bathroom.
Oh, Gav's naming it as his bathroom. Oh, where's the light in here? Obviously, I've not been in here much. Let me find the light, peeps. Where is the light in here? Is there not a light in here? What is this? Oh, there's a light. Oh, it doesn't have the same lights. Weird. Okay. This is what is in here now. Actually, it did have a seat and all that, but it's never worked, this one. So, it's coming out. And then the other one's going to be put in. And then that'll have the toilet in there. It's got the shower there and sink, etc. So, yeah. This is where it's going to go. And now, at least I know where the light is in there. That's handy, isn't it? We've been using it as a storage closet up until now. So, yeah. That's where it's going. So we will definitely be filming the installation process.
Yeah.
How confident are you feeling about the installation, babe?
Pretty good. We need to turn it that way so that it matches
Alright, yeah.
matches that one.
And is this a Sunday job?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Don't see why it can't be. The really cool thing about it is the electrics are already in, so it's just a bolt-in job.
Okay.
Switch it around so that it faces that way, and which is probably good. You're never going to see this again.
I never want to see that again.
Force them to rock down there, we'll have a drink.
Alright. And would you like to say how you've learnt about how you did the installation?
What do you mean?
Have you not been watching YouTube videos?
There are hardly any YouTube videos on
Oh,
changing the toilet.
we need to do a really
Oh,
good
yeah, that's what
video.
we're doing, yeah. But anyway, yeah, there's hardly any, so we will post ours
Okay.
and call it Replacing the Shitter. Won't we?
Well, we may not be able to say sugar in a thumbnail, but we'll see.
We'll see about it. But anyway, how good's that? Lovely, nice white porcelain shitter.
Very excited. This has been Gav's #1 priority. If you think back to
Number one.
if you think back to the very first video we did post getting back here, which was the morning after, he was actually looking up on the computer at that point, finding this exact toilet.
I was watching, I don't know, one of the other YouTube channels, and they said that marine toilets were like candy cane and unicorns and fairies and stuff. They said it was easy, and you never get shit all over yourself. But anyway, come and have a look in here.
I like that you chose a white shirt for the job.
Yeah, well, I didn't know I was going to do it, did I? So, but anyway, bit of shit everywhere. That's nice, isn't it?
Is that shit?
That's shit from the previous owner,
Oh, it's not even our shit.
and it's all over me. So,
It's stranger shit?
yeah, well, not really. We know the previous owner.
Oh
He's not a
dear.
stranger. But anyway, so it's horrible.
Oh, that's dripping everywhere.
Yeah, of course it is.
Do you want me to grab
What
a...
was it gonna do?
Well, I don't know. Do you want me to grab a big bag to put around it? So you're dripping it all through the boat?
Do whatever you want, but I need to go that way. Okay.
I'm going up there?
If you want to have a shit, yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, but go and have a look at the carnage here.
Oh, lordy. This is our guest head.
Not anymore, it's going to be my toilet.
Okay.
Goes bathroom.
Wow. Okay.
So
what happens next?
I think we'll get rid of that, give it a scrub,
Yeah.
and get a bit of water in there and hose that down and turn the shower bilge on, and then it'll go down, and then we'll clean it up. When I say we, I mean you.
We can hose it out from the sink there. That's got like a pull-out handheld thing. We'll just shush it.
Yeah, good. Okay. I was thinking about pulling the timber out and just hosing that down and getting that out to dry.
Yeah, because it'll be gross like the other one.
It is gross. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Right.
Dunny out.
Cool.
Good.
Okay, I just got done through cleaning all the shit out of the guest head after we removed the toilet, so that is looking so much better now. Heaps better. So yeah, looking good. Also cleaned up in our room after taking out the cupboard. So check that out. So couch there. So yeah, it is awesome. Heaps of stuff that we've got done today. It's amazing. There's always so much to do, but yeah, there were some really big jobs today. But let me show you what the main saloon looks like at the moment. How many of you have a brand new toilet on your dining table? There's just stuff everywhere. How crazy is that? Oh. So we were planning on filming a walkthrough today, yeah, it's not going to happen. It's like this place is such a mess. So we'll just keep getting the jobs done. Then once we're finished, we'll pack it all up and tidy away, and then we'll be able to do a episode on the boat and do a full walkthrough. Definitely not happening now.
So there's 4 marinas in our marine district, and the fanciest one is Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron, and it's where all the gazillion-dollar boats are. And because ours isn't a gazillion-dollar boat, but this is where we haul out and get stuff fixed. So down behind all the fancy stuff is this little secret spot where we can put, oh, there's Astrid the Wombat there, and so this is where they're going to work on it tomorrow.
G'day friends. So we're in a bit of a different spot. This is the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron maintenance dock, and it's probably the only time we're ever going to be in the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron anything, because it's pretty fancy in here. But anyway, the boys are going to come and install that toilet now, which is a huge weight off my mind. It's literally been 12 months. So we've got a new head, and we're going to chuck it in the guest bathroom. Do you call it a bathroom on a boat? I don't know. But anyway, new head and new Blackwater tank and new piping and all the rest of that stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. JSA Marine, they've been super busy, but they're the ones you want. So yeah, there you go. All right, I'll show you what we're up to. Got a bit of stuff stacked up. Shed's looking good though. And this is our mattress and all our bedding and everything, because we've cleaned out our cabin for the installation of the Blackwater tank. So that'll be in there. Oh, there's a lot of storage in there. That's the actual tank. Oh, it's a cupboard. But anyway, that'll be in there. It's empty at the moment. This needs to be chucked in. Anyway, there we go. Lots of storage, eh? I didn't know about. And we'll be able to fill it up with beers. Right, so it's a black water tank, but it's white. Oh, this price costs $210. Anyway, we're excited about all this storage, hey? I don't know what you put in there, but we'll put something in there. And obviously, there's the new shitter. And all the cabling and everything. So we could have had a crack at this ourselves, but there's one thing that as you get older you need in life, and that's somewhere to get away from it all. Have a nice dump. So yeah, that's what's going on. So the boys will be here. That's why we're at RQ. And I got a few little tidy ups before they get here. Alright, ciao. Good news. Found some stuff. So it's going to be handy. Well, there's already one there. This is a Y valve, so diverts from the tank to the open water. That's handy. I don't know what that is. Bits and bobs. I don't know if that's going to work. I don't think so. Anyway, I'll work it out. Pretty cool. Hey!
Thanks for watching this episode of Sailing Astrid the Wombat. If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing, but it helps us a lot getting ready to sail around the world. Join us next week when we have a working bee on board our boat and you get to see our new toilet fully installed. See ya!